Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log out of Facebook, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, simply go ahead and tap on your Facebook app on your mobile phone, and let's say we are here in this section, and make sure you are logged in with the correct account which you would like to simply get out of. Afterwards, if you would like to log out of it, all you have to do is tap on this profile icon in the top bottom right, and now scroll all the way to the down and you will find this logout button. Simply go ahead, tap on this option, again confirm it, and now you can see you are simply logged out of your account easily. Make sure you have saved your login information, so next time you can simply open up your Facebook app and you go back, and you can simply remove it. Open up your Facebook app and then you will find this kind of interface. Go ahead, tap on this login, and you will be able to get into your account just like that easily. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.